Hello students, in this second lecture of mathematical logic, we are going to learn logical connectives, simple and compound statements. The words or phrases which are used to connect two statements are called as logical connective. In this chapter, we are going to learn the connectives like not, or, and, if then, if and only if. Now first we will learn what is the meaning of simple statement. A statement which cannot be split further into two or more statements is called a simple statement. Then compound statement. If a statement is a combination of two or more simple statements, then it is called as a compound statement. For example, 3 is a prime and 4 is an even number is a compound statement. Now here, from this entire statement, we can write two simple statements. First is 3 is a prime number and second is 4 is an even number. That means we can say that this is the combination of two simple statements and therefore this is a compound statement. Whereas if we consider this example, 5 is an odd number, then here we cannot split this into two or more simple statements. This is only one simple statement, and that is the difference between simple and compound statement. Now truth table for logical connectives. First logical connective is not. It is also termed as negation. Symbol is this. If P is the given statement, then negation of P is denoted by this symbol. Now truth table for negation. Since here we require only one statement that we consider as P, and this is negation of P. If the given statement is true, then negation will be false. If the given statement is false, then negation will be true. Second logical connective is or. It is also termed as disjunction and symbol is this, just like V. If P and Q are given statements, then P or Q or P disjunction Q is denoted by this symbol P or Q. Now since here we require two statements, we consider P and Q. Truth table for disjunction. First statement is P, second is Q, and disjunction of that two statements, that is P or Q. Now here we consider all possible values of P and Q. So we consider when P is true, Q is true, then P is true, Q is false, P is false, Q is true, and when both are false. So here when both the statements are true, we will get true. First is true, second is false, then true. First is false, second is true, then true. And when both are false, then false. Means we can say that out of both the statements, if any one statement is true, then answer is true, otherwise false. Now third logical connective is and. It is also termed as conjunction. Symbol is this. Sometimes students call this as ulta V. Now if P and Q are given statements, then P and Q or P conjunction Q is denoted by this symbol P and Q. Now here also, since we require two statements, we consider P and Q. So truth table for conjunction. P, Q, P and Q. Now here also we consider all possible values of P and Q. So when both the statements are true, we get true. First is true, second is false, then false. First is false, second is true, then false. And when both the statements are false, then also false. That means we can say that out of both the statements, if any one is false, then answer is false. Now next logical connective is if then. It is also termed as conditional or implication. Symbol is this. If P and Q are given statements, then P implies Q is denoted by this symbol. P implies Q. Now here also we require two statements, so we consider P and Q. Truth table for conditional. Here P, Q, P implies Q. We consider all possible values of P and Q. Then when both the statements are true, we get true. First is true, second is false, then false. First is false, second is true, then true. And when both are false, then true. Here we can say that when first statement is true and second statement is false, then only answer is false. Otherwise, in all the cases, answer is true. Here, P is the hypothesis and Q is nothing but the conclusion, or we can say consequence. Now, last logical connective, fifth, is if and only if. It is also termed as biconditional or double implication. Symbol is this. If P and Q are given statements, then P double implies Q is denoted by this symbol. Here also we require two statements, so we consider P and Q. Now truth table for biconditional. So P, Q, P double implies Q. By considering all the possible values of P and Q, we get when both the statements are true, then true. First is true, second is false, then false. First is false, second is true, then false. And when both are false, then true. Here double implies means first statement implies second statement and second statement implies first statement. And therefore, when both are true, then only answer is true, or both are false, then only answer is true. Otherwise, answer is false. Now, we are going to consider few examples. See, first one, express the following compound statement symbolically without examining the truth values. First, 2 is an even number and 25 is a perfect square. Now first, we are going to write this compound statement in the form of simple statements. So P, as we consider the first simple statement, that will be 2 is an even number, and Q, another simple statement, that is 25 is a perfect square. Now the symbolic form is given by P and Q. Since here in the given compound statement we have given logical connective and, therefore we are going to use the symbol of that logical connective and the symbolic form will be this. Second example, school is open or there is holiday. Here also we are going to write this compound statement in the terms of simple statements. So P, the school is open, Q, there is a holiday. And the logical connective which is used in this compound statement is or. Therefore the symbolic form will be P or Q. Now third example, 3 plus 8 is greater than or equal to 12 if and only if 5 into 4 is less than or equal to 25. Now even though we have given the notations, mathematical notations here, we can write this compound statement in two simple statements. P will be 3 plus 8 greater than or equal to 12, and Q will be 5 into 4 is less than or equal to 25. And the logical connective which is used in this compound statement is if and only if. That means double implications. So symbolic form will be P double implies Q. Now we consider the second example. Write the truth values of the following statements. First one, 3 is a prime number and 4 is a rational number. Here also first we will write this compound statement in terms of two simple statements, and then we will write the symbolic form, and finally we will find the truth value for that symbolic form. So P, 3 is a prime number, then Q, 4 is a rational number. Since AND is the logical connective used, therefore symbolic form will be P and Q. Now we will check whether the first statement is true or false. 3 is a prime number, correct. That means the first simple statement is true. Therefore here at the place of P we will write T. Then 4 is a rational number. Yes, this is also correct. So answer is true. So here at the place of Q we will write T. Now in the table of AND we will check what is the answer for T and T. When both the statements are true, then answer is true, and therefore the truth value of the given compound statement is true. Then next example, if Mumbai is in Maharashtra, then Delhi is the capital of India. P will be first simple statement, Mumbai is in Maharashtra, and Q the another simple statement, that is Delhi is the capital of India. Now here the logical connective which is used, that is if then, means implies, implication. So the symbolic form will be P implies Q. Now we will check for the truth value. Is Mumbai there in Maharashtra? Yes, the answer is true. So at the place of P we will substitute T. Then Delhi is the capital of India. Yes, correct. So answer is T. So at the place of Q we will substitute T. Now in the truth table of if then we will check the answer for this. When the both statements are true, then answer is true. Therefore the truth value of the given compound statement is true. One more example. Milk is white if and only if the sun rises in the west. Now the first simple statement P is milk is white. The another simple statement is sun rises in the west. Now here the logical connective which is used, that is if and only if, double implication, biconditional. So the symbolic form for the given statement is P double implies Q. Now we will substitute the values of the given statement, whether true or false. Milk is white, yes. So answer is true. So at the place of P we will substitute T. Then sun rises in the west, no. That means the truth value for this simple statement is false. Now we will check the truth table of double implication. When the first statement is true and second is false, then answer is false, and therefore the truth value of the given compound statement is false. Thank you, students.